What's up? What's up? So the 2026 Tesla Model S is currently on hold because of parts issues. As you guys can tell, I haven't been posting much, but that's because I have been focusing on these Teslas. I've been repairing them here on the side quietly, learning a lot, and I've got to the point of where I am offering services for repair after they've been wrecked and you're having issues with your pyro fuse, your VC front, all that goodness. Today I have a RCM redeployment issue coming in, so I'll share that with you guys. Eventually I'll offer some kind of virtual repair thing. We'll see how that goes, but hopefully you enjoyed this series. Car number 1, here it goes. All right, here it is. RCM is down. Under airbags, RCM is saying data locked. Get the center console out, unplug, fireman's loop, good, bad, pre-tensioner, okay, driver's side seatbelt, laptop, dirty pedals, blistering heat, service mode plus, safety and restraints, airbags, disarm. Oh, we still got a current airbag that's not connected. Some magic, and we're failed, boys. And this is why I get paid the big bucks, is because I know how to clear that. We got a pass. Let's try it again. If all else fails, you always got a software update. An hour later, we're almost updated. All right, update's done. Let's see what happens. And we're unarmed because we need to do this one. One last time. Yellow, turn green, turn yellow, turn green. Come on. You can do it. I think I found the culprit. It's the pre-tensioner. One more time, pre-tensioner. Didn't notice it, but this one was just pulled in just a little bit. You see this and that? Good, bad. For the 13th time. One more software reinstall. And just like that, we're green, baby. And we'll go close right there. We're armed. For all your Tesla needs, hit up Austin Imports in San Marcos. It's way too hot to be out here.